Welcome. We back with another video. Sound effect. Editor. Do your thing. 21. We come back with another video. We are sending. We're doing it better than before. How are you guys? It's been a minute. It's been a minute since I gave y'all the sauce. It's been a minute. I hope lemon are happy. I hope wet. Everything is wet there. But let's get into the video. So today I got y'all a sample pack, a young sample pack. The 365 Amapiano sample pack. The 365. Nah, nigga. Where's that? Oh, yeah. Here it is. Oh, I got the first one, the second one. This is the third one. That's the third sample pack I'm giving y'all, dog. I hope you downloaded the other ones. Because this time, they got a fast sauce. I'm bringing y'all the sauce. So first, FLA jam. I see. I should have started a new project. Okay, let me add something. Let me add one. Let me put this. 9. Ugh. Chords. You know chords. Gave y'all chords. I don't know what instrument can I use from the song? Or maybe the orchestra. Yeah, the orchestral. Call the Baba. Answer, just some bouncy type of chords. Just bouncy chords, you know? Bouncy just cause that really have movement. If you know what I'm trying to say, you know. I'm giving you the sauce. Answer. You'll dive in, 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 you'll dive in. And I gave y'all like some new loops, some new loops, some new loops, some new loops. Answer. Answer, ne? Answer, ne? But you'll dive in, 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 you'll dive in. I just brought you simple, cause I saw a lot of you don't have this effect. You have the mixed one that's mixed in with a lot of samples, a lot of things. I saw a lot of you don't have this one. So just because in the previous packs I gave you source, I gave you the source. So if you don't have the other FXs and things, don't be scared to check back. Check back to the previous videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I forgot telling you that. No, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment on what you want to see next. And if you downloaded the pack, like, download the pack, bro. Download the pack. And say, but look, like, don't play yourself, bro. Yeah, where was I? Oh yeah, I gave you a lot of percussions. Just millions of percussions. Just millions. Some presets. You'll dive into these ones. And these ones. If you have Serum, go download it now. If you don't have it, go download it now. If you have them, you know. This one, the hipster bass. Where's the Serum? Let me open Serum. Serum. What is it? Serum. Agsabo Nalu. Oh, here it is. Answer. If you don't have this, there's a lot of ways you can get it. Like if you know, you know. If you really want it, there's a lot of ways you can get it. Like there's a lot of comment in the comment sections if you know where to get it. Like I know, we all know. Let's be real, we all know. We all know. So comment in the comments. Comment in the comments where you think we can get it, and help a brother out. Help the brothers out. Let's help each other out on side. Why is it taking so long to load setup? I should have loaded these things. Flop that's why. Cause you load, that's why I know. Serum, come on, man. And like if you want serum, make sure you have like high RAMs. Cause it's your processor leon answer. It's your processor nyana leon ya kawak. Are you hipster beast? Bueno. But it's yeah. Just make sure you get yourself, and what you should do when you get it. Make sure you use the modulation wheel. See, here's the modulation wheel. Answer. You'll dive in. You'll dive in. You'll check out also these other presets. But banging basses. This is also Mdu. Mdu, if you listen to Mdu's music, he loves this bass. So check it out. I also put in like random. This is for your boots, if you know.
Sao.
Five. Toma.
Vai.
Type. And I gave you like more percussions. Just unique, more percussions. Toma. On top, you'll dive in. Yeah, I'm gonna take up a lot of time. Yeah, you'll dive in. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, the presets, the bonus. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Check out. Make sure you check out the pic in the description. Check out the pic in the. Make sure you check out the pic in the description. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment on what you want to see next. Share to your producer friends. Don't be gatekeeping this. I'm not gatekeeping the source. Don't gatekeep this information. Let me play all the track I did. Can't do what's wrong? My baby, dog. But I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment on what video you wanna see next. And I'm trying to upload consistently now, but I don't know which days to consistently upload like which content. You'll tell me which content you want to see, you know. If you want more sample packs, if you want breakdowns of like songs, if you want like drumming tutorials, lock drum tutorials, how to find your own unique lock drum, you know, just videos like that. Or if you want to see more, you just tell me in the comments below. Yeah, peace. I'm out. Wait, before I go out, make sure you stream our music, bro. That's so like you showing the love. Don't sponsor gang and tap gang. Gang. Don't sponsor gang and tap. Like you tapped it. Yeah, but let me play the music. We tapped in, gang. I said adios from me. I'll leave you with the song playing. You tell me what you think also of the song. And don't forget to download in the description. There won't be any passwords, and like I'm just gonna upload the zip. You'll just get it. I'm a gatekeeper, Joe. Like just get it. But make sure you follow for more. I'm gonna be bringing you a lot more this year. 2026 on tap them on anything but pace a bunch. We are. feeling.